Guess what? It's Halloween. So we chose green for the sides, brown for the top to kind of blend in like a tree. Green, brown. So let's go see what they did. So we chose green for the sides, brown for the top to kind of blend in like a tree. Green, brown. So let's go see what they did. There's our patio. Really start to get the feel for what it's going to be. It's going to be like, I like that scaffolding. I was thinking I was going to have shelves along the wall there. I was going to get one of those ladders that you kind of walk upstairs and you push it to get to all my stuff, including my ham radio stuff. So I don't know where this stuff's gonna go, but pretty cool. Very excited. Yeah, this is it. Frame is up. Let's go look at this wall over here. Green. Yeah, it's dark. They just left. I think if I don't get the video now, I won't be able to, because I'll be back here in the morning to finish, hopefully. Hopefully one more day. I'll have to be done with this. They attached it with bolts. I'm wearing a Halloween costume right now. Looky there. This is what I wear all the time. No, it's my Halloween costume. I'm a pirate. Right. Wonder why that strap there to stabilize it or something. Anyway, excited. It's cold as heck here on Halloween.